Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Here we will present Einstein and philosophy material. Briefly, permission. Introduce myself. My name is Alexandria with NPM 32 and my friend.
Introduce myself. My name is Dwi Jayanti with NPM 29.
The first material will be my friend.
Introduction. Einstein made a significant contribution to the philosophy of science for to try by highlight the relationship between theory and reality. As well the importance of openness to revision in scientific progress. The, therefore, his ins are relevant not only to physics but also to philosophers of science and anyone interested in understanding how science truly works. Next, Einstein's key view on science. 1. Theory as free creation of the human mind. For Einstein, the creative process which extends to scientific progress has emphasis. For Einstein, the creative process we essential to scientific progress. He em- this the is not mecha- mechanical far from observation to theory. In the theory, formation influences lab immersion, the formalization of abstract concept, and the infinite scientist of partners. The success of theory lays out miracle in the imprecise equation, general theory of relativity are prime example product of Bloch theory instinct the revolution or understanding of space, time, and gravity. 2. The role experiment and observation. Despite his emphasis on the theoretical and image as effect of science, Einstein maintained a strong commitment to empirical validation in his philosophy. Observation and experiment serves as the ultimate test of theory legitimacal. A scientific theory must make prediction that can be tested and by experiment. If a theory consistently fails to act with experiment result, no matter how elegant it might be, is be reversed or raised. Next, Einstein case view one science. 3. The relationship between models and relativity. Einstein held a nuclear view of the relativity between science model and physical reality. His argued that scientific theory are representation, not expert relativization of reality. 4. Belief in relativity of nature. Underlying all of Einstein's scientific and philosophical relativity, he the concept that nature of according to consistent intelligible law that can in principle be understood theory human reason. Next, inflection in the philosophy of science. One critic of positive Einstein offers a strong and sustained critique of positive. The philosophical state that claims scientific knowledge must be strict driver for observer and variable data. Positive particle in the logic from the mid early 20th century science. So next to supers for scientific relativism. And another major implication of science of Einstein tonight in his commitment to science relativism. Onical instruments we see theory, miracle stood for organizing experiment or predicting outcome. Einstein maintained that scientific theory aim to describe the actual structure of relativity, even of only offers makes still. 3. Often to scientific fiction, Einstein's own scientific career illustrates the opinions. While we relativity revolution physics with that theory of special and general relativity. He also acknowledged that even that groundbreaking firms could eventually be replaced by better ones. He continues to search for with electromagnetic and quantum phenomena, fully aware that his extinct theory make to influence of even fundamental flaws. Next, the material
Rele-
with my friends.
okay, relevance and influence instant view. Number one, influence on the development of modern science methodology. Einstein believed that scientific theories are not merely derived from sensory experience, but are free intellectual creation radically transform the methodology of science. According to him, observation alone is not sufficient to generate scientific law. Instead, the human mind plays an instant role in formulation hypotheses that organize and explain empirical data. Einstein's success in constructing the theory of special relativity and general relativity demonstrates that conceptual coherence and logical consistency can drive theory building even in the absence of immediate empirical anomalies. Furthermore, Einstein emphasized that scientific progress is not strictly linear, a key point that has encouraged more open, interdisciplinary, and non-reductionist approaches in science. In fields like system biology, climate science, and artificial intelligence, complex phenomena are now modeled not only through data collection but also through theoretical synthesis, echoing Einstein's integrated vision of science. Number two, inspires for philosopher of science. Karl Popper, one of the most influential philosophers of science of the 20th century credited Einstein as a major influence. Popper principle of possibility that a theory must be testable and open to refutation was inspired by Einstein's own openness to the possibility that his theory could be wrong. Einstein's emphasis on creative theories balanced by empirical testing. Thomas Kuhn, author of The Structure of Scientific Revolution, drew upon Einstein's breakthrough to illustrate his concept of paradigm shift. Kuhn saw Einstein's theory of relativity as a clear example of the scientific revolution, one in which the fundamental assumptions, standards, and methods of scientific science are restructured. Other philosophers, such as Hans Reitz and Paul Feyerabend, were also influenced by Einstein thinking. Reitz admired Einstein's synthesis of logic and empirical data, while Feyerabend used Einstein's creativity to argue against rigid scientific methodologies and advocating instead for a pluralistic and anarchistic approach to scientific science, again echoing Einstein rejecting abstract positive. Number three, promotion of a dynamic evolving concepting of science. Einstein's view promote the idea that science is not a static set of facts, but a dynamic, evolving process of inquiry. He raised the notion of absolute final truth in science and appreciated the tentative nature of a theoretical framework. He was deeply on that even the most successful scientific theories are professional models. In science, policy, education, and communication, Einstein foster intelligence, humility, epistemological flexibility, and a commitment to continuous learning. More Einstein view contribution to broader culture and societal understanding of science. His emphasis on creativity and uncertainty and conceptual revolution encourages the public to see science not a riding dogma but as vibrant human pursuit of understanding full of imagination, reflection, and wonder. Conclusion: Albert Einstein saw science not as the result of empirical observation, but as an imaginative creation of humans to explain and unify complex phenomena. He emphasized the importance of conceptual depth, internal coherence, and explanatory power of theory, not just their empirical suitability. This view gave birth to the dynamic scientific method combining intuiting logic and evidence. Instant critique yet room for a epistemology that evolved abstract thought and was committed to scientific realize. That is, that theories aim to describe the real structure of the universe, albeit imperfectly. He also appreciated that science is evolving, humble, and open to revision. His thinking influenced philosophers once Keynes, Karl Popper, and Thomas Kuhn, who developed theory of facilitation and paradigm shift. This instant legacy is not only in modern physics, but Also, in the way we think about the method and goals of science. That's all from Yoswi. Finally, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi